I am Dr. Bijaya Mishra. I've traveled all the way from Nepal. I am a clinical biochemist by profession, and I am also working as a board director in Rare Disease Society of Nepal. And I'm here because the society that we have formed in Nepal is new, and I'm here to learn about the rare disease policies, advocacy, how it is done, and this has been a very enriching and learning experience for me. So Nepal is a very small and a beautiful country, I would say, and we have a population of around 30 million people. And in regards to the rare diseases, we have very few clinical geneticists, and we don't have any programs which could screen for the newborns or any rare disease screening infrastructure in our country. So as a society, Rare Disease Society of Nepal, we are coming as a society to spread awareness about the rare disorders, and bring up policies, work as a group for advocating for rare disease and ease the life of patients living with rare disease in Nepal. So for now, we are just spreading awareness with the educational webinars for healthcare professionals at the community level. So it's just been a few months that our society has been formed. So till now we have done 5 awareness programs for the community and the healthcare professionals. So regarding Gaucher disease, we had an awareness program about rare disorders and for the healthcare professional and the community workers. For now, because Nepal does not have any infrastructure to diagnose rare disease or treat the patient, whenever a pediatrician, they suspect a patient to have a rare disorder, the samples has been sent to India for testing, and then the confirmation diagnosis comes. But in regards to therapy, it's again challenging. We do not, Nepal, I think, is not enrolled in any of the trials that has been mentioned here. So few doctors with the pediatrician collaboration might enroll 1 or 2 patients. It's quite a challenge for patients and rare disease patients living in Nepal, I would say. So we do follow the medical council guidelines that has been there in our country. So we do that, but exactly the regulatory guideline like FDA, we do not have that. In the laboratory setup also, we follow the guidelines which has been suggested, the CLIA guidelines, but we don't have our guidelines as such for now. We do have group of pediatrician laboratory personnel who are scattered around the country with an interest. So we are trying to come together and start newborn screening program at our in our country, so that first of all we start with the most common disorders which could be treatable, and then at the next step maybe we can also do advocacy for the rare disease patient as well. Rare Disease Society of Nepal is collaborated with Indo US as well. So it's good to be here because of the collaboration that is there with the Indo US. I think connecting with the society that we have formed, we can help and collaborate with the Rare Disease Society of Nepal. So Indo US Rare Disease Society can help us with collaboration, enrollment of the rare disease patient from Nepal, for the treatment part, for the diagnostic part. So maybe that help and collaboration can be done, so that the borders, the boundaries of the country don't separate the patient to get what they are supposed to be getting in terms of health equity and getting the treatment and equal rights to live, I would say. For me, the aha moment would be to see how things would worked behind the scene. We see different group of people working at different level, but when everything came on the same plate, on the same platform, and starting with the policy, the advocacy, with the clinical drug trials, with how these research has been helpful for the patient, and understanding how India has been developing the rare disease policy, because there's a lot of things that we can learn from India, because we are a neighboring country as well. So for me, understanding everything as a whole uh, perspective of regarding rare disease, I think that's a huge learning and takeaway for me to understand things in depth. I would say that has been truly exciting and thrilling. I would say that it's been an amazing experience, absolutely excited to be here. I'm taking a lot of learnings and takeaways from this summit, and I thank the organizing committee. And it's such a amazing to see how this entire event took place, with the coordination, the effective communication, everything fell into the place at the right time, right moment, perfect timing. So huge appreciation, and looking forward to such event in future, and would love to be a part of Indo US Rare Summit 2024 as well.